everyone. Today, we're skipping Blender tutorials for something cool, string art sequencer I built. Let's dive in. First, let me show some string arts. Everything started on Facebook with a string art portrait. How do you make that with nails and string? There are apps that generate nail sequences, a list to connect with string with different nails. I installed an app, but it didn't deliver what I wanted. Basically, you have to follow the sequence number and connect them with a continuous string. Just like this animation, a string art will build up. Manual work to make string art. Now, I want automation with Arduino. The challenge is getting the right sequence data. I found Michael Crumb's free string art generator. Got the code from GitHub. Ran the code with Python server. First try, it worked, yay. But it had colored lines on gray. I wanted black on white. And that's where the real challenge began. I had never touched JavaScript before. I used to think Java and JavaScript were the same thing. AI guided me to edit the JavaScript files, debug, and run it locally. The basic code was finally doing what I wanted. But the art wasn't accurate enough. The code used a greedy algorithm, picking the next nail that covers the most of the image, step by step. I tried different methods like mean squared error or MSE, root mean squared error or RMSE, etc. And to improve accuracy and Sobel filters for edges and face detection. But precision still lacked. Ready for the game changer, a YouTube video by Virtually Past showed the Radon transform. It maps the image into a guide for the best lines to draw. It's like a blueprint for perfect string art. The results? Incredible. JavaScript couldn't handle it, too slow. I came across this MATLAB code from Virtually Past and ported it to Python, my first time using either. Apart to mention, I took the MATLAB code's core logic to Python. Especially Gemini 2.5 Pro and Claude, helped every step. I made it work with black strings, as I wanted. Then, I built a UI with a preview panel, animation function, and a folder system to save sequence and other files. Added zoom, rotate, and move options for perfect framing. But first, I made these user interfaces. After a month, I had my string art sequencer. Zero experience in these languages. Just curiosity and AI. If I can do it, you can too. I uploaded the code here. Okay, let me show you how it works in action. And here is the root mean square error base code. 300 nail is a bit overdoing, because large board is required to make the physical string art. Here is a comparison among some online tools. This one is pretty good, except it's not free. I realized while making this video is to consider how the string thickness will appear on the board based on its size. Later, I made another program that does just that and generated this image. It helps find the sweet spot. Using a lot of nails isn't reasonable. We have to balance the resources to get a great looking piece without overdoing it. That's my journey. Thanks for joining. See you next time.